me a favor, pick me up later.
Hello everyone, now in this first frame right here, you see my ringworm. And also thanks for tuning in. But here, in this video, I'm going to be showing how I cover up my ringworm. And first off, well, my face look a little greasy, but it's because of the coconut oil. But I'll be using like a very matte foundation. And it's best for me to look a little greasy before I put on matte foundation anyway. But anywho, I pretty much applied the Baby Skin Pore Eraser by Maybelline onto my ringworm, and then placed this orange concealer by Pro onto it. And then I'm blending it out right here in this clip. But I think that was kind of like a bad idea because I was really able to see the ringworm pop through. And then I'm setting it with the banana powder by Makeup Revolution. And after setting it with banana powder, let that dry a bit, and then put on use concealer by Makeup Revolution in C11. And then, just setting it again with another layer with a few layers of
okay guys, we are back. So this is the Covergirl True Matte, So this is the Covergirl TrueBlend Matte Made Foundation. It's a comfort matte. I have it in D10, which is golden caramel. Which I'm gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm excited, kind of. Okay, cause bitch, y'all know, y'all been seeing me. I've been wearing the wrong foundation shade. Ooh. So we use one pump. This is one pump so far. Let's put some water. Ooh, girl. Ooh. 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 I'm nervous. Jesus, please let it go on camera, please. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. It doesn't look bad at all on camera. Oh, I should have just... That section needs like half of a pump on its own. I kind of want to use my NARS. I think the NARS one looks more yellow. So back to the luxury. Oh, shoot. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C15, I think. Yes, C15. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up. Just that, like that. Oh shit, I don't know when it stopped. Yo, that's not good. So I'm going to use this big ass, it's supposed to be an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use it as a contour because this is huge. I'm going to take from the BH Cosmetics, not BH Cosmetics, the LA Girl Contouring Palette for medium, whatever. Okay. And I still have a lot of this I wouldn't say a lot, but I have a good amount of the contour powder still on this brush. You know, powder replaces powder. So that will make me look less ashy. So I'll take a little more of the powder and just brush this one. Okay guys, we're gonna make a GoFundMe account, right? Oh my god, I gotta get up. The only highlighter that matters to me, the Day Glow Luminescent Glow Powder, Day Glow Powder by Maybelline. Looking. Blend that out with the cream. I think I'm gonna put this all over my lips because this is more moisturizing than the MAC. This is Colourpop's Little Lippy. It's Chateaux. Is it too much? Everything is just bold. Y'all see that glow? Well, it's contour though. Okay guys, we are back with the finished look. I look like a snack. But these lashes are throwing me off a bit. I looked at some of the finish so far, and one of these lashes is, I think it's this. Is it this lash that's messed up? I keep trying to put it on. Honestly, I think one lash, I used one glue, and then the glue that came with these lashes, I use on this eye. So, you know, the other glue that I already had is better, but it's like almost done. And I tried squeezing it out for this eye, but none of the glue wanted to come out. So here I am. Comfortable with this high quality, guys. We're towards the end of 2018. I finally got some poppin' ass quality. Yes. I never knew about a damn monitor, but here we are. Let's clap for the high quality. I finally got some high quality, high def. Anywho. Since I finally got the tech stuff together and my foundation together, now you may freely subscribe. Anywho, turn on post notifications, and thanks so much for watching. Deuces.